Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, it's true. Mage Knight is still alive. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a package that we got from Sir Chris here locally. And he is an avid Mage Knight player. Okay, I was also a Mage Knight player before I played Heroclix. Okay, so by the way, if you are not familiar with Mage Knight, they are also just like Heroclix. Uh, they have the clicks dial, okay, and they are miniature tabletop games. Okay, so this one I got from Sir Chris uh, as a way to even up the credit. Okay, so which is fine, and because we love Mage Knight. Okay, so Mage Knight started it for us in terms of tabletop games. Okay, so and you can see here Mage Knight is still alive. Okay, so nothing ever truly dies except when they are forgotten, and we definitely have not forgotten about Mage Knight. Okay, so we have kept some of our Atlanteans, and Sir Chris was able to let go of a bunch of Atlanteans, so we had to take that opportunity to grab them. Okay, so I hope that if WizKids is listening, they can probably consider bringing back Mage Knight. Okay, and perhaps Legacy card, or even a different game from Heroclix, but based on the Mage Knight lore. Okay, I think they're bringing back Mage Knight as sculpt. Okay, but I like Mage Knight with dial. Okay, so anyway, let me go ahead and share with you guys my hauls for Mage Knight, my Mage Knight hauls. Okay, so some of these I am familiar with because I played during the alpha beta period. Okay, but some are newer ones, so I'm not so familiar. This one, I had this before, so I'm happy to get him back. Mage Stone Draconum. Okay, so can you imagine 12 range, 3 target? Okay, I was actually thinking of playing Mage Knight figures, but instead of an open map, we use the grid system in Heroclix. Okay, that might be a fun idea to try one of these days. So, what else do we have here? This one I'm familiar with. I've had also this before. These are soaring crossbowman. Okay, this has a. This should have a, what you call this? There you go. A slot for the wing. Okay. Oops. Something like that. Okay. Oh, let me see. I don't want to break it because I'm going to display it. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so it has such a great sculpt. I remember when I started playing Mage Knight, the sculpt were better compared to the Heroclix sculpt. Okay, but of course nowadays the sculpt of Heroclix is so much has improved so much. This one, I never had this before, but we love claws because we love Wolverine. This is Maelstrom Golem. Okay, so Atlanteans are, by the way, the magic and the machine guild. Okay, so very good to display. We have Core Gunner. Okay, I think that's a hero. We have a bunch of sailors, Sanderson sailors. Okay, I remember these ones. Okay, look at those eyes. And then we have Magus Almenland. Okay, I guess a hero. This one I had them before. These are Scorpion crossbowman. Okay, I think I need a gunner. So we have here the soaring gunner. Okay, a bunch more wings. So we have one more gunner here and another gunner here, a crossbowman rather. Okay, all tough. Then we have the Scorpion crossbowman. Okay, shock trooper. Okay, okay, we have the Mage Stone Lord. Okay, I remember this one being strong before. We have the Orion the second, a golem. Oh, we have Magus Anendu. Okay, I love Magus, the original one. This one, not so much, but happy to have him. This is also Inquisitor. Okay, so this brings back a lot of memories, especially with my college friends, Lyndon, Heinz, Paolo, Miguel, Rex, Delo, because we really bonded and played a lot of Mageknight before. Submersible Golem, Captain Solidar. Okay, then we have Shock Trooper again, and this is my favorite character because this is me, Jasper. Jasper. So this is my namesake character, the leader of the Atlanteans. We also have here Amanuensis. Okay, looks like a girl. Okay, and then finally the Atlantean Ram. Okay, I also had this before but had to let go. So now I can put Jasper into the Ram. Okay, it doesn't fit. I think the smaller scope would fit. Maybe the Alpha. It's an Alpha scope here. Here. No, still not about this one. There you go. Ooh. So you have a dragon riding a ram. Okay. Definitely a good and awesome display piece. Okay, so the second box is also here. And again, Mageknight is still alive. Ooh, some more goodies. We have Bow Golem. Okay, take a look at that skull. We have the hero version, Bow Golem also. But I guess this is the tough version. This is the weak and the tough. Another Bow Golem. And another Bow Golem. And another. And another. And another Bow Golem. Okay. It's good to army build these things because they really just look nice. And another Bone Golem. Okay. And then we have the generic Delphana Master. Another Delphana. A bunch of Delphana Masters here. And then a red Bone Golem. What is this? Red Gear Bowblade. Okay. And he has a different base. Interesting. Is it a different base or is it removable? Yeah, I think it's a different base. Okay, I don't want to mess that. Okay. And then the last, what's this one? Okay, I don't know what this one is. For red gear. Okay, so there might be a mechanic that he switches dial. Okay, so I really don't know if you do. Please mention it in the comment. Okay, Sir Chris, if you're watching. And then we have here the Shock Trooper, the last one. Okay, so this is a Heroclix channel, so we also have to look at some Heroclix. I also bought a couple of Sentinels from Sir Chris, a Caveman Wally West, and then a Frenchie. So I was looking at my collection and just realized I did not have any. I don't have French anymore, and I need him for Pulp Games and Silver Age. So all the cards are here, including the Zero Ring card because I sent it to Sir Chris accidentally before. Okay, and the last one for Errol Kim, we have the Motorcycle and the Hell Cycle. Okay, so that's it. We have a big collection of clicks, whether it's Mageknight or Heroclix. So, have you played Mageknight before? Share your experiences in the comments. Would you like Mageknight to have a comeback? Okay, so I certainly do. So, until next time, bye bye.